गुड मर्निङ क्लास 10। आज म तिमीहरूलाई लङ क्वेसन दिँदैछु। फर्स्ट च्याप्टरबाट आएको 2019, 18, 17मा आएको यो च्याप्टरबाट आएको प्रश्न अनि प्रश्नको उत्तरहरू म दिनेछु। यो 5 मार्क्सको हुन्छ। एउटा जम्मा 2वटा गर्नुपर्छ, तर तिमीहरूलाई आउँछ 4वटा। 4वटामा तिमीहरूले 2टा गर्नुपर्छ, बुझ्यौ त? सो the question 2019 मा आएको the major landforms developed by erosional work of river described as follows. Okay, describe with a sketch 3 major landforms developed by erosional work of a river भन्ने प्रश्न आएको छ। त्यसमा विथ डायग्राम छ, डायग्राम सहित देखाउनु पर्छ। डायग्राम पनि यहाँ दिएको छ, त्यो प्र्याक्टिस गर्छौ। सो दे आर V-shaped valley, the valley formed by a river in its upper course in which lateral erosion is greater than vertical erosion is known as V-shaped valley, as it is resembles the English alphabet B. This valley is so narrow and the sides are so steep that gorges are formed. Okay, then I-shaped valley. The valley formed by a river in its upper course in which the vertical erosion is much greater than lateral erosion is known as I-shaped valley, as it resembles like the English alphabet I. This valley is very narrow and very deep. It is called canyon. Okay, so the diagrams are given here, so you have to practice this. त्यसपछि आउँछ interlocking spur. A series of spur lies between the bank of rivers as the main channel twists from side to side, so the spur are described interlocking. And the D, waterfalls. When a stream plucks down a very steep slope over a cliff, it forms a waterfall. Its highest waterfall, Zog Falls, 289.08 meter, is on the river Saravati. Okay, next questions are described with a sketch the major landforms produced by fluvial glacial deposition. यो माध्यमिकमा 2018 मा आएको छ। The landforms formed by glacial deposition are moraines. Any landforms formed by deposition of valley and continental glacier is called moraine. The moraines can be mainly of 3 types. Moraines deposited alongside of glacial valley floor are called lateral moraine, where the 2 lateral moraines of adjacent glacier combine. The deposition lying in the middle of the main glacier is called middle moraine, and the moraine deposited at the end of the glacier are called terminal or the end moraine. Okay, so त्यसपछि आउँछ esker. Long rays, material deposited parallel to the direction of the flow of glacier melt water are called esker. त्यसपछि आउँछ erratics. These are depositions of boulders and the rock fragments in an area where they are a total mismatch with the surroundings. Then comes drumlin. These are low elongated hills formed by glacial deposits. They are called baskets of eggs topography. त्यसपछि आउँछ cames. These are small rounded hillocks of sand and gravels. Outwash plain. These are materials washed out by glacier melt water and deposited in a variety of forms. Okay, and in 2017 मा आएको प्रश्न छ describe with the sketches the landforms developed by combined action of wind and running water in the arid region. The answer is the different landforms formed by the combined action of water and winds in a desert region are wadi. In desert, sudden Torrential rain leads to formation of valley through which the collected rainwater may follow like a river. In dry seasons, these valleys are remain dry. So the next is playa. Playa are small lakes found in desert. They are highly saline and the water cannot be used for agriculture or household purpose. Then comes pediment. Pediment refers to the eroded and the lowered plainlands that lies at the foot of the mountain. Then comes the bazada. Okay. Bazada refers to the deposition of materials brought down by wind and as well as water and deposited beyond the pavement. So यो भयो तिमीहरुको च्याप्टर 1 बाट आएको प्रश्नहरु. अब नेक्स्ट टाइम म दिन्छु च्याप्टर 2 बाट आएको प्रिभियस इयर्समा आएको प्रश्न साथै उत्तरहरु त्यो भिन्दै खातामा लेख्छौ अनि याद गर्छौ. ओके.